So guys, it is the literal next day after my night routine. That noise is coming from my iPad. I make my own vlog music because I'm too afraid to get copyright striked. When I started doing YouTube about a few years ago, I was using music that people posted. They were like, it's free. I'm doing this because it actually wasn't, because I got copyright strike. So I was like, let's just go on GarageBand and make my own music. I don't know if you can hear me very well. Ew. I just woke up. Not too much. While that's going, I'm actually screen recording it right now, so I can't turn it down. Otherwise, I'm afraid it'll mess it up. We're gonna get ready to go eat breakfast. I'm making my younger sister breakfast. She woke up before the other young ones, so I'm gonna go make me and her something to eat. I'm still working and editing on my night routine video. It should be out by 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. Also, my room is still a little messy. That's something we're gonna work on today in the vlog as well. Let me just slip on my Hello Kitty slippers and go down there. Oh guys, yesterday when I was doing my haul, I forgot to show. Look how cute he is. I will clean this out today and I will make me some tea in it. I gotta turn my phone this way and act like I'm holding a camera. Guys, let me know what camera I should get for YouTube because I'm tired of using my phone. But yeah, so cute. Okay, so let's brush our teeth first, wash our face, and then get little sister so we can make breakfast. I can barely get out. You want some tea as well? I got my new cinnamon roll cup. Do you think it's cute?
Yeah, but Mom wish I could have one.
You wish you could have one? I could get you one. So.
I want a Corona one.
Here, let's go brush teeth. Good morning, guys. How are we doing? The face I'm making after this is like... So I have to boil water the old-fashioned way because we don't have a teapot, and that's okay. I got the water going for my tea. Morning tea, y'all. Are you a coffee person or are you a tea person? I'm a tea person in the morning, a coffee person in the afternoon. Oh, and a boba person whenever. Here's the update. We got the song done and screen recorded, and I just sent it over to my phone. The water is boiling. My little sister's here. Say hi.
Hi.
We're gonna eat oatmeal.
Can I have the brown kind?
Yeah, and I'm gonna have the apple kind because I like apple. Water's boiling. Guys, ever since I deleted every social media, I've had so much space.
Please stop talking. Oh, campers. To do next.
Time to clean the dishes. Okay, good. Did you like the tea? Okay. Okay guys, so after breakfast I ended up falling asleep on the couch with my baby sister. We're about to have a snowstorm and it'll last for about a week. Take you guys with me so we can go grocery shopping for the week. Not too much on my hair. I try to curl it. It just looks crazy now. Like it looks stiff. Thank goodness I have this hat. It's cold outside and I haven't put my earrings in for a while. So I'm just now putting them in. I really wanted to make sure the hole wasn't closed. On our way out. Okay guys, we're outside. Like I said, not too much on the hair. I know it looks stiff, but it doesn't even feel cold out here for real to be snowing tomorrow. I'm not driving my own car today. I'm driving with my two older sisters. This car is literally my car. This is a newer version, but they're literally the same car. Guys, I look so different with these glasses on. Like, I feel like I look a lot older. Like I said, I didn't feel like putting on lashes and all of that. I just put a hat on because it's cold, but it's not even that cold to be wearing this hat. And I'm kind of upset with my hair because I tried to curl it, ended up looking fried. Hey, hey. My sister's also vlogging, so. But this camera is so much better, guys. Hold on. I'm gonna try to show it like. Me being in the back seat. Can't get the good shots of the road. This is the fit. Guys, we're here. It was a lot of traffic. This door? Going in this way. mom said you're the genius in shopping what we get.
So many people in here. I don't know if I'm gonna record for long. I don't need no more sweets. I need to get away from this area.
Okay, anyway, mom said some champagne, popcorn extreme, peanut butter and jelly.
That sounds like a party, not
Pizza roll, hash browns,
storm.
and soup. She said you know how to fill out the store.
I do. Yeah, I do. I don't really know this store the way I know my local Walmart, but I love the bigger Walmart because there's so much space. Never mind, too many folks. Hey,
Can I get your autograph?
can you get my autograph? I need a real camera because I just turned my phone off when I had turned it this way. I should have bought my tripod. Oh, hey, this is a little tripod.
Okay.
Look. This is a little tripod. My hands are dry. Like, y'all see that and y'all didn't tell me. Luckily, I kind of went hand lotion. Whoa.
But it's buggy.
Oh, we don't need it?
No, I don't think we do.
Wait, so far we got champagne for my mom. I didn't get it because I'm still 20. We're entering the food aisle now. Sorry. There's so much going on, guys, and I can't stand when I look like a bum. And I think somebody from like my school or something is like here watching me. Guys, look, wiping everything out. For PB&J or whenever, lunch, snack. You know, I love to cook for my babies. The bread, like the bread we use, it's gone. I hate a rush. I do. Give me anxiety. What bread are we gonna use? That's better than hot dog buns. No, I've got it. Thank you. So I'm stuck getting the cheese. Sister's getting lunch meat and stuff. I want to say I'm the best shopper, and that's not worth it. Cheese is disgusting. Oh, sorry. You're good. Thank you. Period. I have my buggy so far, and that's what she has in hers.
I need to organize this. This is getting.
Yeah, look. I get my stuff organized.
Are you gonna use some stuff?
I already spent like so much money yesterday. Guys, it's like Christmas again.
Unfortunately.
Still feels like we haven't finished our list and like things are getting wiped out left and right. It's crazy in here. I'm trying to turn the buggy with my wrist because I'm filming. I almost crashed into that, guys. Y'all be safe for the snowstorm. Get lots of food. Just don't take out the food from me. Look, wiping out again. Okay, guys, it's been an hour since we've been here. I'm finally at the cereal station. Look, they're wiping it out, and luckily, I'm taking the last one. I love this cereal. My baby sister, she loves it as well, so I know she'll be happy that I got it before they can wipe it out. The rest of my family, they like this one. I don't. I think it tastes like nothing. Here we go. And then I also need to get some oatmeal as well. I guess we don't have to get this one. It looks so good, but this one is not the best. We're finally done. Both buggies full to the round. So many people. Do you see this one? What? Finally done. Took 2 hours. This was crazy. It's probably the craziest part of the vlog.